Hey, what's going on? It's your brother, your lover, the king, K Son Official, back with a quick video on the job we just did on that little Mazda there. So, as I mentioned before in my short, the tensioner pulleys, so the bearings that live inside of the tensioners, they were dead. So look at this one right here. Look how all the gears have eaten itself. They sort of just broke apart. And what happens is, once these go bad, they will pretty much damage the belt, the serpentine belt, which, or you can call it the alternator belt, the belt that goes around your alternator and all the pulleys. So once once this seizes up and breaks, that belt can seize and it can snap pretty much, and then you'll lose all power. You'll lose power steering. Your battery light will come on, indicating that the alternator is bad, but the alternator doesn't have to necessarily be bad. I always tell people, whenever you are trying to diagnose a vehicle that potentially can have a bad alternator, check your pulleys first. Check to make sure that the bearings are not seized or broken or making a lot of noise when you spin them, because half of the time it could be the pulleys, it could be the tensioner, and it could be the bearings that are inside that are bad and not the alternator. So you go ahead and you change an alternator for no reason and your pulleys are still bad, you're back to square one again. And yeah, you didn't solve anything, and you just put an expensive alternator in your vehicle and wasted all that time pulling it down. So always check these things first. Check your pulleys, your bearings, your pulleys, your belts, your tensioners. Check those first before pulling down the entire alternator, because what happens is, you know, in some vehicles the alternator is so tucked in, it can be a big headache to pull it apart and take it out, and then you did all that work for nothing, you know. So yeah, we changed it up, and we put two new bearings inside of the pulleys, and we had to press the old ones out, which were these. We pressed them out with the presser, and then press in the new ones, and we're good as new, you know. So the owner, she's very happy, and she can continue driving until the next issue, and then we'll save her again. But yeah, it's cool. Me and my dad, we did it together, father and son team. That's pretty awesome. You know, again, I always say I'm grateful for having my father. You know, he's still around, and you know, if your dad is still around, you know, cherish and enjoy each moment, because, you know, one day we're not gonna have them, right? You know, and you know, we don't want that day to come, but we just have to enjoy every moment while we can, while we're still here, you know. So you see how this is spinning? I can feel it on my finger that yeah, you can hear it too. Look, see? It's no good. It should be smooth. It should have a smooth sound. No good. Check this one. This one's completely seized, because as you can see, all the teeth are eaten up. It's garbage. See? No good. But this one right here, garbage. See? No good. But yeah, we do what we gotta do. You gotta be self-sufficient in this world. You gotta take care of yourself. You gotta learn how to fix these issues to survive. You know, the economy sucks. Everything sucks with what's going on. And you know, so being self-sufficient is the way to go. All right, it's your brother, your lover, the king, K Son Official, signing off. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Give this video a like, please. Comment down below. If you have any questions regarding, you know, cars, tensioner belts, pulleys, bearings, alternators, any questions, feel free to ask down below. Hit that subscribe button. Share this video with someone who is in the same situation. Their alternator could be going, or their tensioner or their pulleys can be bad. Share this video, and I'll see you on the next one. All right, it's your brother signing off. Peace, everybody. Stay safe.